How to turn on or turn off Galaxy themes in customized apps to see recommendations on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Next, scroll down and tap on Galaxy Themes. Tap on the toggle button to turn off, then tap on Stop, or to switch it on, then tap on Customize. Here, you select See Themes, recommendations that match your style and the things you're interested in. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.